What's up, everybody? My name is Vincent. Welcome to Cryptolution, where we talk about everything under the moon, the crypto universe. Today is Monday, December 4th. Now, in today's video, we're going to be talking about 5 meme coins that could do really well in this possible super cycle that's happening in 2024. What does that actually mean? And how are people actually going to make millions of dollars off of these tokens? Well, keep in mind, what I'm about to share with you is just a perspective of mine. It's not financial advice. I'm a YouTuber. This is just for entertainment purposes and possibly educational purposes only. So make sure before you invest in any of these meme coins, invest wisely. Do not spend your savings, do not spend your mortgage on these tokens. These are super speculative, which means you could possibly lose all your money. So make sure to watch this video throughout its entirety and be sure to stick around to the very end to hear my conclusion and statement regarding these meme coins, because that's super important. So with that said, before we begin, you need to smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, don't forget to join our Patreon page, and most importantly, please be careful with any of the scammers down in the comments below. I will never reach out via WhatsApp, Telegram, direct messaging, or email, so please be careful and invest safely. So guys and girls, let's get right into it. So can you believe it, today, Bitcoin officially hit $42,000. We have not seen this price of Bitcoin in over 2 years. Now, why is that important? Well, we need to keep in mind what happens when Bitcoin goes in a bullish trend, because what happens to Bitcoin affects altcoins, and whatever affects altcoins and Bitcoins eventually affects meme coins. So what Bloomberg is saying is that possibly Bitcoin could reach $500,000 in the next super cycle, which possibly is this year. And that's, from Bloomberg. Now keep in mind, if this is true, which it is very speculative, I don't know if it's actually going to hit 500,000, but we do know that when Bitcoin pumps, people tend to take those profits and speculate and spend it on meme coins. So let's go ahead and talk about the meme coins I want to address today. Now, there are a ton of meme tokens out there. Right now, there are a few that are dominating and more well-known names such as Dogecoin, SHIBA, Inu, but let's go ahead and talk about those coins first before we talk about the other newer coins that are part of the Generation 2. So let's talk about Generation 1 meme coins, and that is Dogecoin. So Dogecoin right now has a market cap of $12 billion. Now, this token, from what I know, is inflationary. Now, if we look at where the token price is right now, 0.08 cents. But even through this whole year at the all-time high charts, we're actually up 1,500% from right here, around 0.0002 cents, to all the way around here to around 8 cents. So can this go any higher? Well, keep in mind, this actually used to be close to around 60 to 65 cents. Now, when we look at that market cap, how high was the market cap of this actual token? It was roughly around $75 billion. Yes, you heard me right, $75 billion. So could we revisit those levels again? Well, keep in mind, when this token reached that market cap, Elon Musk, who is a huge advocate of Dogecoin, he was going to appear on Saturday Night Live on that day. He was going to be promoting Dogecoin in some certain way. Again, it was not an endorsement. But say, for instance, we had the Dogecoin millionaire who literally had over $2 to $3 million in his bag from his, I don't know if it was like $200,000 to $400,000 investment. And he did not take profits, right? So what happened was he's actually down quite low from there. But because of that, this could be a great dollar cost averaging opportunity. But again, this is just Generation 1 coins. Now, I want to talk about another Generation 1 coin, which is SHIBA Inu. Now, the reason I bring this up is because, again, they're very low in the very beginning of time. This is back in 2021. Roughly from when the token launched to where it is right now, literally it's around 670,000% from that all-time high. So that's kind of crazy if you think about it. Now, could we revisit the levels right around here? Now, what was the market cap around this price point? Well, let's go ahead and look at it. It roughly had around $35 billion. Again, the market cap is around $5.27 billion. Could we go up to that point? Possibly. But again, these are Generation 1 tokens. These meme coins are the first generation that first came out. And the reason why I talk about these Generation 1s is because we want to look at the patterns of both Dogecoin and SHIBA Inu. We saw that they had very, very low entry prices and their market cap aren't as big that they were back then. Now they're just huge. They're in the billion-dollar market family. Now let's go ahead and get into the Generation 2 meme coins. These are the coins that possibly could reach SHIBA Inu's and Dogecoin's kind of popularity and possibly pump. This is the super cycles that we're talking about. So let's talk about the first token, and that is called PEPE. Now, PEPE right now is only 557 million in terms of its token price. Again, another meme coin. We saw it at around this price point, and now it's hovering around here. Now, when we look at the market cap, what was the top market cap for this? It was roughly around $1 billion. So it actually did reach the $1 billion family, but since literally dropped 50% from that price point, roughly around 600 million in terms of its market cap. Now, keep this in mind. What could we expect for this price token? Well, it's a speculative investment. I don't know if this team is even a team. There's not really anything being built within this token. But again, people don't need to follow utility. They don't need to follow a founder. This is speculative. So people are literally like in a casino betting against the house. You don't know if you're going to actually win. Usually the house always wins, but you're literally betting against something, right? So PEPE is one of those tokens that I want people to keep an eye out for because it's such a low price point at the time of this recording, and the market cap is quite low. But there's another meme coin I want people to research, right? And that is this one. It's called Memecoin, literally Memecoin. So this market cap, much smaller. It's roughly around $352 million. And this token actually launched recently. Now, there is a collection out there, an NFT collection called the Captains. People who own that collection were airdropped NFTs, but also had an allocation for these meme coin tokens, and they were airdropped this token. But right now, it's 352 million in its market cap. Fully diluted market cap, believe it or not, is $2.2 billion. So that's pretty big. Keep that in mind. So right now, this token price has a lot of VC or venture capitalist interest in it. We don't know how far this token will pump, but this is something where I've never seen before. This is a generation 2 token that this meme coin is associated with an NFT collection. So could this be the next ape coin? Well, we do know that ape coin for Bored Ape Yacht Club actually has utility, but can meme coin do the exact same thing? Could it follow the same road of ape coin, which is in the $1 billion family? Well, we don't actually know at this very point, but I wanted to share this with you anyway, so make sure to do your own research before investing in meme coin. Now, let's talk about the very last meme coin token, and this is why it's the last one, because I think this actually has the most upside. Why is that? Well, let's talk about it. Well, that meme coin is called BONK. Now, BONK is a Solana based meme coin. Now, roughly this market cap, $358 million, and we can see that right now we have made new highs of this actual meme coin. Now, I remember when I was making videos about BONK roughly around here, I'll put a link on the upper right hand side. And I swear to gosh, people made a ton of money investing in this token at that time. Now let's look at the market cap. So where was that market cap roughly? It's around $9 million when those people invested in this token during the time I made that video. So where is the actual market cap right now? Like I said, is literally jumped all the way up to $358 million. That's insane. So I guess, if you think about it, over the past month, this has gone up 783%. So that's insane. So congratulations to those people who invested in this token. But again, are you buying at the all-time high price? Because again, you're not buying low in terms of its price point. You're buying at the all-time high price. Well, again, we saw this happen with Dogecoin. We saw this happen with Shiba Inu. And people were like, I'm not going to invest in this token. It's way too high. And that's okay to think that way. Again, this is speculative. You're not supposed to be investing in something. This is literally a betting situation. So if you're investing in this, you're going to hope to gosh that this market cap is also going to be in the $1 billion family, okay? We're not talking about hundreds of millions. We're talking about billions of dollars. And BONK actually has kind of a utility around it. The Solana community is huge into this. And if you want to know, this is the meme coin of Solana. Like there's a ton of meme coins out there, but BONK is the meme coin of Solana. And that's why you're seeing a lot more activity here and why we went from a market cap of around 9 million to $358 million. Keep that in mind. So don't become someone's exit liquidity. Make sure to invest in these tokens wisely. So as a conclusion and statement around these tokens, let's talk about Dogecoin. So as you can see, Dogecoin is the leader of meme coins, Shiba Inu second in line. PEPE is also third in line with a much smaller market cap. As you can see here, it's a big gap from $5.2 billion from Shiba Inu to around 500 million regarding PEPE. Now you can see that Memecoin is right below that, around 284 million, and then also BONK around 358 million. So right now, these are the top meme coins in Generation 2 that I think could catch up to Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. But make sure to choose the right one, make sure to choose the right community, and also make sure to do your own research before investing in any of these tokens. I'm here to just inform you, educate you on what's going on out there, but you are ultimately responsible for your financial decisions. So with that said, let me know your thoughts down below regarding PEPE, Memecoin, and BONK. And also, why not Dogecoin and SHIBA? Love to hear your thoughts. So with that said, let me know your comments down below and I cannot wait to read them. So as always, be sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to join our Patreon page to receive all of our alpha calls on both buy and sell orders on both NFTs, cryptocurrencies, and meme coins. Until then, see you guys and girls next time.